lovelies, I hope you are okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's make the fluffiest, most delicious vanilla cake. Guys, today I'm going to give you the easiest recipe. Don't bother yourself, just sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Now starting off, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I sieve it nicely. Now we're going to use 3 eggs. Now you can decide to do this, or you beat your eggs separately, you break your eggs separately, and then you just add them in your flour. Add in a cup of milk. Make sure your milk is at room temperature. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's not warm, just room temperature. Whisk this nicely to make sure that you don't have any lumps. Now at this point you can add in some sugar. I used 1/2 cup of sugar. Remember, you can go less or more. It will not affect the result of your cake. Yes, if you want less sugar, you can go with less. If you want more, you can feel free to go with more. Now I also added in 1/2 cup of margarine at room temperature. Yes, I melted it, but it's at room temperature because I don't want it to heat up my butter, so it's not hot or warm. I also went in with a tablespoon of vanilla. Yes, because we're making a vanilla cake, I was very generous with my vanilla. I went in with a tablespoon of baking powder. Yes, now at this point we have to be careful you don't over mix. After putting in baking powder, please don't over mix your butter. Now in your pan, you can just get some oil, dust it in with a bit of all-purpose flour so that you create a non-stick barrier. Yes, or you can go in with baking paper. Beat your pan like that so that you release any air. Bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Remember to please preheat your oven before baking. As you start your butter mixing process, please preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Our cake is looking lovely. So fluffy, guys. It is so delicious. I am sorry, at this point I forgot to do the cake test to make sure that it is ready. Please just use a toothpick, press it in there. If it's clean, then that's when you know your cake is ready. As you can see, my cake is ready right now. I'm going to get chai, I'm going to get some milk and sit back and enjoy it. Guys, it is so nice and very easy, as you can see. Yes, please thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the recipes. It helps us grow and bring you more amazing recipes. God bless you. Ciao.